for warm up, consistency lang yung focus natin. Prove nyo lang yung value nyo. Come in. Come in. Come in. Go. Try to start on with bumper na kahit mo. Then, sige pa. Babayo namin. Then, natin. Uy, nice one. Come in. Okay, a few more. Okay, here. Okay. Okay lang. Sorry. And then, pasok sa net. Net ka na, Tara. Then, ready, Pani, go. Here. Here. Okay, go. Back. Go high. Back. Go Tara. Here. Good. Okay. Huwag mo lang sasabayan tayo. Yes. Problem. Sit down. More. Ready? Okay, that's three. That's two. That's one. Okay. So, kami net naman, tapos Tara defend. Ay, net. Stay ka na dyan. Okay. Ready? Try to hit it above the net. Come in. Yes. Come in. Okay. Pag muna tayo manggigil, just try to repair muna. Yan. Get lang muna natin yung timing natin. More. Okay. Ready? 5. Go. 3. Wow. Tapos, that's 4. Okay. That's 3. That's 2. Go. Nice. Okay. Last one. Go. Good. Okay. Now, both of you on the other side of the band. Okay, so now starting natin yung next natin. So, start na yung minutes. So, expect kasi pagka nag-alok sa let's try na to get back ang class. Kasi, punta natin for the defense. So, wala na natin expect na then, if talaga pala sa payo nila, what you need to do is just put your hand on the side. Kapag nilagay sa bola, you can also apply the body pincer. For example, susunod na kalamba, short preparation lang, and then huwag natin pwede na sinala. Okay? So, doon na mag-start yung drill natin. So, I'll be giving a hard feet on your forehand, straight on your left. Okay? Balik yung body. Okay, practice natin yung defense. Stop in. Ready. Also, when we get the ball, kailangan talaga i-engage yung body natin forward. Okay? Forward naman yung body. Ready? Kailangan din follow through. Now, finish the drill. Let's do forward and back hands. So, do one each. And up. Forward. Check the racket movement. Away. Slide. Balik. Kaya ka din mo na watch this. Guys, you need to short prep. Tapos, when you hit the ball, after the ball, you have to take a power. We're not going to be playing. Okay? Let's practice. Ready, Clara? Okay, come in. Medyo mabilis to, so you have to go back to that. Grab this here, maybe a little bit here. Tapos, hit it in front. Okay? Yeah, a bit more pa, pero wag lang sa likod. Siguro sa may pocket. Yeah, it's enough. Okay, ready? Nice, grab it. Lang. Ready, two more. Okay, here. Nice. At 4. Yes. Again. That's 2. Yeah. Now, let's do lock defense. So lock defense. So, tingnan nyo, tayo yung important lock. Pero ito guys, after we do the lock, ano yung guys na natin lock ito eh? Defense. Okay? Yeah. So basically, like, parang ganun siya, but the easiest way, basta kapag nag-lock ka, you step on the line. Show on the line. Para whatever happens, so shoot naman ng kalaban, as an expert ka na, you approach the net or come forward. If hindi naman naman nag-lock sa, at least you are looking for another way. So every time you do the lock, you step on the line, and then you get the for any shots. Okay? So ready tayo. Para lock. Show on the line. Okay. Come on. Yeah, come on. Okay. Yeah, you step on the line. Step. Ilang. Step. Yeah. Kasi pag masyado mo na kasi sa ng kalaban, hindi natin naabutan. Step. Yeah. Ready? Good job. Step. Nice. Okay. Next one. Ready? Okay. Now, progress na natin yung grade. Same thing. Difference pa rin. This time, kailangan natin ng step on the line. Kasi ang gagawin mo, the second ball, ay this one. So, ang approach ng ganung klase ng situation, syempre, pag nag-smash ang kalaban, mataas yung balik ng wala. Let's also put our right. Tapos ang goal natin is to follow natin siya from up, down. So basically, we're trying to counter. Kasi nag-smash siya, ang goal natin, so ika-counter naman natin. Kasi ang ginagawa natin ba, nasa taas na yung wala, pero the rat is here. So ang nangyayari, pinantin yung bumaba, kasi hindi yung wala. Problema, dahil na yung momentum nila is para, hindi nila natin natin. So go ahead ka, so let's try to get the ball from here, okay, right. Yeah, same thing, now tayo, show mo yung side, and then,
instead of dito, I guess here.
yeah, so, side of back, go. And then, pero, hindi suggest, pag ikaw wala natin siya para, wala na yung bola. Yeah, sige, yeah. Go. Wala. Kaya naman nasa line tayo. Ready? Good! Something like that. Ready? Go, Kaya. 4. Yes, that's good. Kasi syempre, for example, sila Lance, they can smash it. So, kailangan alam natin kung paano natin i-approach yung classic situation. Okay, here. Go. Go down. 2 more. Ready. Go. Nice, Tommy. Okay, ready tayo, Kara. Okay, step. Go. Yes. Tapos, ano na, wala natin makapalit yung palikod yung bola. I mean, we need to get it up here, pero you can move forward na para mas lumapit dito sa bola. Okay? Yung one. Ready? Yes. Stop. 4. Tara. Yes. Okay. Alright, now, before we move to the next game, kailangan makapasok kayo ng at least 10 for defense. Okay? Off the wall, okay? Focus tayo. 10. Yeah, naku na. Then, yeah, go. Ready? One, go guys. Approach the guy. Ready. 4. One. Good job. Six. Seven. Eight. Come on. So guys. Hey. Eight. Let's do it. Let's go. Stay, that's so. Ready, Tara. Bobby. Nice, that's one. Okay, Tara, let's go. Nice, okay, good job. Woo! Mamaya, makikita natin ito. Pero basta ganun lang guys, so once na bago yun, always step on the line. Para whatever happens, especially naman yan, may headstart tayo, itiin niya lang o ihaba niya lang, madali tayo makadefend. Last minute tayo for defense. For this time of our exam, we'll start 10 balls each. Okay? So start with the time last time. Okay, Tara. Corners up, defend up. Okay? Sorry. Okay. Consider doing jobs. Basta you're in your position, okay? Okay? Sorry, sorry, good luck. Okay, before. Okay. Okay, lastly. Last. Here. Last. Mommy, come in. Workers, get balls. Let me suggest like preparing. So from here, you step back and then yeah, you can now do your lateral. Okay, para mas prepare ka with the one cross. Yan. Yes, wala. Keep it going. Lapit. Sorry. More. Last. Sleep. Last. Last. Sleep. Last set. Pag-iin pa rin. More. Lapit. Here. Lapit. Good job. Lapit. Down. Last. More. Good. Speed. Lapit. That's two. That's one. Okay. Now this time, kailangan natin a little harder shot. I mean, I know it's not easy, but kailangan natin practice it. Okay, ready tayo para. Yeah, okay. So. More. Yeah, if you can, for example, let's say the shot, I suggest, bawal natin para muna yung wala. Okay, ready? Or, okay. Kailangan tayo. Okay, ready? Yes. Pagka ganyan na, ako na lang, pinalo na nalaban, like overhead or hard ball, basta nalaban yung space ibibigay sa bola. Okay, ready tayo? Okay, space, more pa. Untuk menyaksikan dan langsung here. Okay. More. Ready? Kailangan mo. More. That's five. Nice. Up. Yes. Okay, come in. Yes, that's one. Okay, last set. Actually, mas madalas mo ma-experience ko eh. Kasi mostly yung mga tao, they always get to break on that corner. So kailangan na kayo na lang yung gansa. Ready tayo? Yeah, sige lang. Try yung lighter. Yes, more. Okay, a few more. Okay. Ready. Three. Okay. 5. Ready, Bobby? Last set. 4 tayo ng line 4. Okay. Yes. Ready ba? Okay. Nice. Sabi din. Ready. Here. Okay, last 3. Yes, that's two. Okay, that's one, that's one. Okay, now, balik na tayo kung wala na ako sa ikot tayo. Oh, ako sa bahay, malapit na yung bahay. Sandawit na ako. Yun na lang.
Sa may fame?
Vape. Kaya, isang takot lang eh.
Team Mandaluyong pala kayo.
Manda.
Oo, mga Tiger City.
Di ba kung doon, ano pa rin? Sweet ako sa ba?
Pasig.
Estancia.
Okay. Sabi natin. Ikaw ba? Ano ba? Ano din? Wala ko naman.
Tiger City tayo. Ako kasi Pasig eh.
Okay. Okay, so ganito muna tayo. One is here. So, yeah, tayo defend lang. Kaya, sa importante lang kung ipitin yung palo mo. Game of generate natin, makaalis ka dun sa baseline. So, yun lang. Take body in the net. First one, tayo lang. Okay, so after, shoot the line, and ready na ang gagawin natin. Okay. Wow. Good. Pasok ka, Tara. Okay, no problem. One more. Ready. Stop. Ready ka. Good. Okay, now starting tayo. 1, 2, 7. Go. Stop.
Out yun. Point to Tara.
1-0. Okay, ready ka. Two. Atras. Up. Nice down.
Nice job.
0. Okay. Second chance natin. Balik natin ang agad, diba? Okay, 2-1. You. Okay. Nice, ready? Come in. Good. Ready, Tara. Alala. One, three. Okay. Second chance. Go. Me. Yes. Trust me. One. 2, 3. Out. Second chance. Basta pag medyo alaman okay lang kahit normal turn. Pagkalang punta ang posisyon. Nice. Pasok. Okay. Nice. Good. Okay. Sobra ng pasok. Okay. 3 all. More. 50. For all. Stop. Okay. Last. Do your. Ready. Nice. lagi kasi aakalan sila, advantage sa kanila. So whenever you have this, that's it. Yung pinigay ko rin naman, actually, pinigay ko sa iyo eh. So I think that ilalaro mo na siya. Pero ang ginawa, sinilala ko sa akin. So, na-counter ko. So yun lang, basta try ko na lang always aim for love. Kasi kailangan ko yung nasa lagi. Sorry. Go. Here. Ready. Stop. Five. Nice. Go. Last. 6, 5. Go. 10. Out. Switch. Back to the other side. Yes. Okay. So, 2 balls muna sa trial. Okay, cross. Masuk ka, Pami. Good one, Lara. Kaligagan. Nice, Pami. One more. Good, ready. You. Show. Nice. Okay, start tayo. Okay. Yeah, basta pinangat ko yung bola mo, nag-love ka, line ka natin. Okay? Ready? Me. Nice, good one. Good defense style. Love it. Pass. Good. Nice. Go. Me. You. Ready. Nice. Okay, go. Good. 0-2.
Wait lang, sir.
Okay, pabawi kami. Ready? Vamos! You. Up. No problem. You. Three. Sorry. Here. Okay. Go 3. Vamos. Yo. Das. Nice. Up. In. Kapit. Two more. Come in. Nice. Okay, 5. Go. Okay, cross. Stop. Okay, 6, 5. Last 2. Last. Out. Second shot. 2. Out. Here. Go. Me. Ready. Atras. Atras. Pasok. Para mapili yung tandem niyo yan. Take 1 to 7. Ayun mo na, ayun mo na. Sige. Kasi kailangan nyo naman i-practice nyo yung communicating dito. For example, nagsisisi nyo lang. Malalaman naman kung magandang gagawin or hindi ang feel yun. So, yung feel yun maganda, sito na nung makaraman mo. Okay. Para lang isipin yung mga gagawin sa isa. Pero I like going different, especially kung malakas yung body, like ako na namin, kung hindi nyo naman talaga yung back. So, hindi pa. Ready? Go guys, focus ito ha. Okay, go, pasok! Diba? Okay, dito to. Ready? Yeah, pasok. One zero, let's go. Ready? Go. Out. Yes. Ready? Zero, two. Go. Okay, go. What's up? Nice. Yes, sir. Good job. 1. Okay. Nice. Okay. Go. Out. 3-1. Pasok. Ready? Nice. What? Okay. Here you go. Good, go. Bilang. 2-4. Come on, guys. Come on. Ready? Okay, go. Ay, puta. 3-4. Good. Ready? Get up. Okay, from 5-3. Here. Nice. Ready? 6. Ready? Go. 3. Pressure. Nice. Go. Pressure. Okay. Ready? Here. Go. So yun, practicein natin ha, na i-pressure yung kalaban by doing a good body. Rack it up. So, 15 balls, forehand, go. Yes, go. Yeah, a few more. Ready. Back here, Pami, go. Nice. Good job. Ready? Good. I need like that. I need like that. Go. Gigil lang. Pero not to the point na gigil na. Okay? Yes. Okay, try to defend. Go. Nice. Nice. Uy, almost. Okay. Okay, never mind. That's 6. Pressure. Pressure ulit. Nice. Oh, nice, Tara. Good defense. Okay. That's 5. Pressure. Good. Pressure. Ready. Okay. That's 4. Pressure. Pop. You must begin. More. Come in. Up, sapa. Ready. Here. Okay. Good defense. Now backhand, Pami. Same thing, 15 balls. Okay. Ganun pa rin. So, turn. Engage lang. Okay? Ready. Go. Ready. More. Stop. So I need you to open your body when you hit. Okay? Turn. Yes. More. If kaya mo pang habaan, much better. Yan. Balik. Okay. Last 10. Okay, last 9. Come in. Nice. Here. Yes. Pressure. More. Okay, last 5. Go. Good. Okay, last 4. Nice. Okay, ready. Nice. Last 1. Okay, now overhead. Okay, so Tara, start ka sa line this time. Okay, overhead to so ready to defend, Tara. Come in. Yes, okay yun. Go. Nice. Ulit.
Nice.
Good one, Pami. Two more. Go. Yes. Wow.
Nice one.
Ready. Go. Okay. Last 10. Try to prepare a little higher para lang ready na yung event at pagpapaluin. Yan. Nice. Ready? Go. Stop. Okay. Last 9. Here. Wow. Good job. Last 7. Okay, give allowance, Pami. Target the line. Yan. Pa. Good. Okay, last 5. Here. Nice. Ready ulit. Wow. Okay. Last 4. Okay, good try, Tara. Let's go. Okay, come in. Okay, here. Okay. Okay, collect muna tayo ng bola. So basically kasi, pagka gusto mo dito na lang dito, kailangan mo malugin ng advance. So kailangan, instead of dito sa front side, kailangan mo talaga siya. Para yung racket mo natural dito. Kailangan mo i-advance yung tapos, sorry, objective is to pressure Pami. Okay, pwede tayo. Okay? Kami, ready? Important sila lahat. Taas. Good. Go, 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 go. Ready? Okay, good one. Last try mo pa i-engage yung bottom mo, Tara. Sama mo yung katawan mo. Kami. Yeah, something like that. Good. Okay. Pa. Nice. Good job. Tapos one more thing, Tara. So instead of, ito lang yung gumagalaw when you prepare, I want you to try to turn your body, tapos bump. Kailangan turn muna. Turn, and then hit. Okay? Yeah. Yan. Pa. Go, 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 go. Okay lang. Good defense. Okay. So pag ganun, Tara, turn. Yes. Okay, atras. Out. Okay, last 5, Tara. Turn. Nice. Pag ganun. Ganda. Ready. One. Okay. Here. Ulit. Ready. Turn. Yes. Go, go. Okay. Up. Ilang. Tapos pag ganun, Pami, for example, naka-pressure mo siya by moving her back, try not to rush. Kasi benta na yun. Okay? Ready? Last 3. Try mo pa ihabang konti. Tara. Yan. Last 1. Good. Okay. Back na naman. Same thing. Turn. And then sit. Good. Hirap. Nice. Ulit. Ilang. Nice. More. Third. H. Ganda. Very good. Go, mami. Nice. Atras. Good. Ready? Pressure. Uy, okay yun. Wala lang sa follow through, pero good defense. Ready? Come in. Nice. Atras, atras. Take time. Go. Pasok ulit. Ready ka agad. Uy, nice. Okay. Last 7, last 7. Good. Ready? Third. Uy, nice one yan. Ready? Good, good, good. Atras! Okay lang. Kaya pa? Last 6. Come on, come on. Ready? Okay. Last 5. Nice. Almost. Third, then hit. Oh. Okay lang. Good try. Tapos tayo mag-that one, the last volume. Okay yung prep, kasi during the contact, medyo nag-lean back yung body. So what we need is talagang push siya forward. Okay, last 3 tayo, last 3. Tapos this time kahit huwag mo na kunin yung bola if mag-lock. Kasi mag-smash pa tayo. Para hindi ka mag okay? Go. Ready? Okay, last 2. Good. Sige, last 1. Nice. Good. Okay. Now, overheads. Ulit. Nice. Okay. If kaya yung haba, much better. Haba. Yan. Okay. Good defense. Haba. Good. Tapos, loose mo pa yung arm mo. Loose, loose. Nice. Good job. Okay yun. Loose. Nice job. Okay. Few more. Haba. Good. Last 8. Haba. Ilang. More. Okay. Nice. Ready? Okay, last 5 tayo. Let's go, Tara. Let's push. Haba. Okay, okay lang. Okay, last step tayo. Okay. Loosen it up. Ready? Okay, last 2, last 2, last 2. Come in. Push. Atras, atras. Okay, ready, Tara. Let's go. Top. Nice. Nice, Pami. Good defense. Okay, go. Okay, last one. Ito, match point. Match point. Come in. Top.
Nice shot.
Okay, good. Sige. Balik na tayo. tayo. Let's go.